Traders, Anthony here. I'm going to introduce you to a regular opportunity to short the FTSE 100 3 or 4 times a month, depending. And we're going to go back on this chart and I'll show you the outcome. At this point here, this point in time, a significant amount of capital is pumped into the UK100. It generally causes a rally, and we look to sell when the group of investors liquidate. Generally, the option to short the market occurs the day after the funds are injected into the group of companies. So we've been able to determine precisely when this occurs, and we short the market at a certain time after the event. Okay, so these are certain times of the month when this has occurred, and this one here wasn't a trade due to certain criteria not being met, but we have a full educational program to help you understand what this recurring capital injection is about, how to trade it. Okay, so we can see here that the market rallies and then we look to sell when stocks are liquidated. And what we do is we look to short the market when our indicators give us an alert the day after the event. Okay, so we can see that there's been some significant opportunities here around these times. Scrolling back, okay, if the event occurs prior to a weekend, well, we look to short the market on the Monday. Okay, so this was the rally on the back of a Thursday injection of capital, and this one was short-lived. However, we're trading it on the 5-minute chart, so with a tight stop, we can generally win most of these trades. And I mean, some of them will give us quite a nice result. For example, these two here. And once we get into one of these, we can trail the stop loss. 25th of October was prior to a weekend. Okay, so we're looking for the rally and then the sell-off after the event. And I mean, some of these will give us quite a nice result, as you can see. Now we have another one of these. It's similar to this, somewhat different in terms of the type of funds that are moving into the market, but we have a DAX trade that we can take on a monthly basis. If you go to my website, Indices Trading, you'll see there's a video on the German 40. Okay guys, so that's a quick intro to our FTSE UK100 strategy, and with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.